How to replace the speaker assembly. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure. Removal. Disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Disconnect the speaker cable from its connector on the system board. Peel back the adhesive tape that secures the speaker cable to the system board. Remove the 4 P1 Phillips head screws that secure the speakers to the top cover. Remove the speaker cable from the routing channel on the top cover. Lift the speakers off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Replacement. Place the speakers onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Route the speaker cable into the routing channel on the top cover. Replace the 4 P1 Phillips head screws that secure the speakers to the top cover. Reattach the adhesive tape to secure the speaker cable to the system board. Reconnect the speaker cable to its connector on the system board. Reconnect the battery cable to its connector on the system board.